Hey there, beautiful friend. I am Lit, and in this video I want to share with you an idea that helped me a lot to transform my life. Imagination is something that we can use as a powerful weapon to transform ourselves. The thing is, it's a fact that the body doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. So, that being said, if, for example, there's a lion in front of you, automatically you will be scared. And if you imagine a lion in front of you, your body will have the same reaction. So you can use this to actually face your fears, face the things you are afraid of, face the things you are ashamed of. Like, I can tell you some things that I did myself and they helped me a lot. I was scared a lot of social judgment, of the fact that people would laugh at me, at the fact that they will point fingers at me, they would make me feel bad. And actually what I did, I imagined myself in a stadium, on a scene, and the stadium was full, and there I was standing naked in my mind in front of that whole stadium, and everyone was, I imagined people actually laughing at me, pointing fingers and judging me. They just, like, I would see them talking to each other about me and all that, and that really helped me get over my fear of being judged and my fear of being I don't know, laughed at. Another thing, I was scared to talk to women, so I imagined myself in front of a woman, and I just stood there until I was able to actually say something. I don't know, others, like fears of snakes, fear of spiders, fears in general. Just put yourself in a situation like that. You imagine that you are in front of a spider, or of a big spider. You imagine that there's snakes around you. You use your imagination for pretty much everything that makes you feel bad, that not bad, but that makes you feel in a certain way. If you have an emotion regarding something, like, for example, I don't know, you in your life had an experience in which someone laughed at you, or something happened, you were betrayed. Just play that picture, that situation in your mind, and just let your body feel what it feels. That's the secret. Because if you imagine yourself in front of a stadium naked, everyone is laughing at you, and automatically you will feel ashamed. There will be some crazy feelings out there that will raise. And do not push them, do not force them, just allow your body to feel those emotions, and you will see that at some point you will get to the place where you can just walk around naked in that stadium, like on the scene, and just not care about anything, and just be yourself and don't give a damn. So yeah, so that was it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it will help you. I know it will help you. Actually, just use your imagination and you will get places. Thank you for watching this video. Click the subscribe button for more videos like this, and I wish you an amazing day, and I love you.